Hey everybody, and welcome back to RipTech Labs. My name is Chris, and in this episode we're going to continue working on the RCA 16X3. Now, if you remember last time, I had to take this coil out because these rubber wires, the insulation was completely ratted on them. Can you imagine having to do this 8 hours a day for how long? Go cross-eyed for one. But, oh, and then that plate came off. Get back on there. Alright, I screwed up. Because, yeah, that has to go like this, so the tabs fit in there. This makes no sense at all. Zoom back out a little. Now, as you can see here, I have to get the wires oriented in the can in the right place. So what we got here is the brown and yellow up here. Did I get this backwards? I think I got this backwards. I think I'm going to have to switch those wires around. That's odd, because this is exactly, I took them off one at a time. I think. Hold on, let me see if I got a photograph of that after I took it out. Alright, I do. Awesome. So, that's what it looked like when I took it out. Huh. Wait, hold on. Okay. I just had to turn it around in the can here because you can see. Okay, so alright then, that's up there, that black wire's down there, the brown and yellow are down here. Okay, my lighting is like failing me badly, isn't it? I can't have one without the other here, can I? Oh, there we go. That's alright, that'll work. So, we gotta put that back in the can and make sure the little tabs get aligned the right way, because that's what happened. Okay, that way until it's all the way in. Okay, cool. This little clip is a pain in the ass. I'm just saying, because you have to get it right here on this little square part and then snap it into these holes, and it doesn't like to do it. Ask me how I know. Alright, there. I might be able to do it better now that I futzed around with it so much last time. Or not. What the hell? Well, this is neat. It's completely like been out of shape. That figures. Oh no, one of those tabs is actually broke off. Well, that's neat. How am I going to do this then? Son of a... Where did it go? It would have... It's right here. Right here. Look at that crap. Alright, so I think I got it all lined out as far as which wires go to which tube socket and which pin on each tube. This diagram is not very useful except when you figure out that this little bit right there, that's telling you where the key is on the tube. Now, these tubes, these octals, camera's up there, and I got no light. These octals, they have the center has a little key on it. Yeah, this is terrible. That black's not coming through, is it? There's a little key right in the middle there. You can kind of see it, so that it can only go in one way, and the drawings are like that. So there's that. Okay. Alright, so what did I say? The green one goes down here onto that. Yep, that makes perfect sense too, given what I saw in my photograph. So you are correct, sir. Except then you can't fit the wire through the little tiny hole that's on the thing. Sometimes, man. Where's that? Sometimes gotta get creative. We're gonna poke a hole in that. Like there's supposed to be a hole in that. So, get some of this out of the way. You know, I have a lamp for this, and I should probably be using it for such. Except I can't actually get it there. Okay. That's pretty cool. You can use it for you guys to see stuff. That's neat. So I mean, yeah, I gotta get this onto that little tab right there. Huh. That's pretty cool. Sort of, I guess. I can't get it angled enough to where I can get everything and see it. So that's off the table. Okay, here's my hole. So let's make that hole just a little bit bigger. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right. Green wire. I got two hands, and that's the worst part. I should tin this. That would probably help. I lost my solder. Oh, there it is. Right in front of my face. Okay. Ripes. Oh, what, when I tinned it, I made it too big? Nope, there we go. Okay. Success. Ah! Blast you! Grandpa had a word for things like that. You little blighter. Okay. Right, now, black wire goes to, and this makes no sense to me, the same place as the yellow? Surely not. No. Alright, so I'm going to hook it up there, and if it's wrong, then I guess it's wrong. If I can, that is. No. Wait, there's your pin, there's your ground. See, it doesn't make sense. The third one over's got all kinds of crap connected to it. It doesn't make any sense. Unless that tube doesn't have that pin. Which, okay, that actually makes a lot of sense. So I'll bet that black goes there. Guess we'll find out, huh? It feels right anyway, let's put it that way. Yeah, that'll do. Okay. Whew. Alright, so with that done, we've done all the wires. We've done the capacitors. Did this coil. The thing I got to figure out now is the antenna and the jack. They could probably just be left open, but yeah, because see, okay, yeah, the green and black here go to that. Ugh, that's a given. And those two yellow ones go to here. So, whoa. Let's see, where's my solder sucker? There it is. Oh, I found one of my flashlights I've been looking for God knows how long, except I think that's the broken one, so it doesn't really matter. Gotta put all my solder into my solder can here. Keep it safe. Oh, I see, there's a little hook on that. Okay, cool. There's on that one too. Alright. Yeah, sorry you can't see this, but I got it off the side here. I guess you kind of can't. Sort of. Yeah, maybe if I zoom out, huh? There we go. I mean, I could just as easy just hook this up to a freaking wire and just run it that way, but I'd rather do this and make sure, see that we got a working system. That's fun. Now I gotta take the damn solder off the wire. No, I don't. Come on, just hook on there, please. Thank you. And let's sew. Okay, now let's flip this bad boy over. Yep, I sure did put another hole in my speaker. Man, I gotta get some liquid tape. No, it's the same hole. Okay. But for right now, it'll do. There's my tuner. Trying to mangle anything up here. Well, let's see here. There's my volume. That must be my tone switch. Right, okay. Turn my soldering iron off. Okay. Man, my lighting is bad, isn't it? Oh, it's terrible. I gotta fix that. Anyway. So what we're going to do, plug this into the SIM core, turn it down. Let me show you this first. Oops. I'm an idiot. Okay, so in the center core, let's turn it all the way down. Let's turn it on. And we'll watch that current draw as I crank it up. I don't have any tubes in there right now, so it ain't going to do anything. It's not supposed to do anything. Let's put it that way. Okay, so far so good. Nothing's happening. Alright, cool. Alright, so let's put these tubes in. 12SQ7 goes into this hole. Pretty sure. That is the SK7, which goes into the next one. This is my output, right? 35. Oh, come on, get in the light. Oh man, this is awful. I'll have to zoom in on it, but yeah, it's a 35L6 GT. So yeah, some of these don't have all the pins, which I think is overcritical in this case. And it does, and it is my 12SK7. The RF tube, okay. Which means I'm missing one. It's the SA7 then, right? No, this is my output. This is my 35. That's my rectifier, 35Z5. So that goes here in the first slot. Right. You can see that. But in these handy dandy manuals, there's always a section right here. That'll show you which direction, show you the tube layout. I wish there was one for the rest of the components. That would be helpful. And that one goes in there. Okay. Oh yeah, so it's turned off. I'm going to turn it on. Okay, and then I'm going to turn up the power. Get my arms away from it. That's good so far. The tube's lighting up, we can't tell. Let's see. Oh, we got a little bit of glow on that one. We got a little bit of glow on the lamp too, don't we? Alright, so let's keep going. It's not shorted, that's good. Nope, we still got a nasty hum somewhere. Yeah, I got something cooked up wrong. So I've had that happen before. Feedback. That's wrong. Okay. Does that change when I do that? Nope. Okay. Alright, so I got something connected wrong. This is obvious. Alright. But that's a good start. So a real good start. So what we're going to do, I'm going to call it right here. It's back together, and it's humming and squealing, which means I got something in the wrong place, which means I'm going to have to study this. I'm going to have to make copies of the schematics and draw little highlighted lines around and try to figure out where everything goes. That's going to be fun. Okay, well, this has been Riptech Labs working on the RCA 16X3. See you in the next one.